Hello guys, what's up? I'm back here for you, and today we'll see the best way to generate $100 every 15 minutes, guys. I just want to say that there are many ways to make money online, and you can do this from the comfort of your own homes, guys. The strategy that I'm about to show you is probably the most easiest one, and I use it constantly. I make $100 every day with this, and I literally make it done in 15 minutes, guys. So if you want to do it yourself, make sure to follow me as I show you the steps, and in the end you will be making $100 each day just as I do. I'm here to help you with some guidance, and as always, please like the video and make sure you subscribe so you can be with me whenever I find some new methods for making money online. This is your money machine, and now let's go to step number 1. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It's that simple. Now, first of all, guys, I want you to connect to tickmill.com, and this is the place where you can trade a lot of things. This is a forex trading platform which allows you to make money online with these simple strategies. So you can trade 62 currency pairs, including the majors, minors, and exotics. You can trade stocks, indices, and oil. You can trade metals, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. You can even do this with cryptocurrencies, but you don't have to. This is what we're going to be focusing on. This is Forex, so just pay attention as I walk you through the steps. So I'm going to show you a strategy over here which I used a lot, and I made a lot of money with this. Exactly, I make like $100 each day, and I do it in 15 minutes, guys. So what you want to do when you come here, you want to go down there and you want to search for this pro account. And why do you want to take this pro account? Remember, this is all free. You don't have to pay for this. This pro account is free. And the reason why I tell you to choose this pro account is because it has 0 pips. And what that means is that basically this is no commission website when you choose this pro account. So usually when you are trading, these companies take big commissions and you are left with nothing. And this pro account on tickmill.com will allow you those 0 pips, so that means 0 fees for you and more money in your pocket. So all of those commissions which used to go to good companies, now it is going to you, and you keep all that money for yourself. So all we have to do now is go there and click on Create Account button, which is located over here. And on the next page, you can just complete this country of origin, your communication language, client type. You can use individual, your first name, last name, your phone number, email. Just make sure that you have a valid email address entered in here, and then agree to this and click on Submit button. So once you do that, you will receive an email with your digital number. That's like certain passcode which you will use to connect to MetaTrader5.com. Now this is a platform for forex and exchange markets, and this is the place where you will be doing your trading. Tickmill, on the other hand, is just a place where you can receive and deposit your funds and withdraw money from. But MetaTrader5.com is the place where you actually do the job. You can use this MetaTrader 5 on your Windows device, you can use it on Linux, on Mac OS, or you can use it on the App Store or Google Play. I like to trade via my mobile phone, so I can trade on the go, so I use that. But of course, you can choose any of these, it doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that it works. So the next thing that you gotta do is you need to go to Tradingview.com, and this is a website where you can see these charts on how related markets are behaving themselves. So if you come on to this website and you click on chart section over here, you will get a certain graph, and this is Apple Incorporated and NASDAQ chart. So as you can see, this is a certain market chart. So what are we gonna do now is I'm gonna show you how this actually works, how you can analyze this chart over here. So this is a great way to find if the market is on the rise or it is not. So if you take this brush over here, and I'm gonna select you, like this is where the best lowest point is. So this is the point where the market was the lowest for this period of time. Now you want to drive it like towards this, and this is where it starts to fall. So you draw the line here, and then you go here when it falls down, then you draw this line again. Then you go upwards. Since it goes like here, draw it like here, and then it falls again. Go down there, make this, And you do this for the next, all of these rises and falls. So this is gonna help us to kind of feel the way of how this market is going. So you need to draw all of these so you can make sure how this market behaves. As you can see now, it's very, very down. So if all these bottom lines over here are rising, then that means this market is on the rise. But as we can see here, this bottom line is lowest than this one. So it's on the low again. So the thing is that you have to analyze the market and you need to place the buys when the market is going up, and when the market is going down, you need to place those sells. So that's how quickly you can earn $100 in just 15 minutes of looking at these charts. So this website will make it easier for you to analyze these charts and make it easier for you to know when to buy or when to sell certain stock or item. So this is a really, really nice way to trade. Tradingview.com is a very popular, and you can do it on your phone as well if you don't want to stick to your computer device. So all you want to do, guys, is come onto this trading platform and choose what you want to trade with. So you can trade with cryptocurrency, with stocks, with certain currencies in real money, for example, from US dollars to British pounds. And you will use TradingView to follow those and make the sells and buys according to these charts. You will use then Tickmill when you log into your account. Then you will use that to withdraw your funds, and the funds will go straight to your bank account or your PayPal account, whichever payment method you prefer. They support that. And one more website which acts as a broker is Octafx.com, and this is like Tickmill as well, and it is very popular, very, very reputable site which you can use for brokering, for trading charts, and trading in general. As you can see on Trustpilot, it has 1.7 thousand reviews and it has 4.5 rating, which is excellent rating, guys. 71% of people gave it an excellent rating, so this claims for itself. This speaks that this website is really trustable, really good one. We have a bad one review here, but that's 1 in a million. As you can see, all of these are 4 or 5 stars at most. So the thing really is to combine all of these. You can trade with cryptocurrencies if you like that, but I suggest that you go with stocks or real currencies like euros, dollars, and British pounds. So you basically have to combine all of these websites and you will be profitable in this trading adventure. MetaTrader.5 is there for you to make it easier for you, to give you advices, so you can just go and download it for Windows device and start your trading. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If that's so, please hit that like button and subscribe as well so you can be with me whenever I post new video about making money tactics. And guys, this is one tactic which I've been using daily these days, and I make $100 in 15 minutes, so I don't know what stops you to doing that as well. All you have to do is invest some of your free time. You have to do a little bit of research, and you need to start and accustom yourself to these charts, and you will then be very, very profitable. Day trading is very profitable. A lot of my friends are using it as well, and they make big, big money, guys. That's big money for you in your pockets daily. And this requires little to no work at all. So guys, go out there, take some action, make yourself profitable. This is your money machine, and I'll catch you guys later.